see you from across the room.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to clean my downstairs, refresh for the week, and restock my pantry, my fridge. Guys, it's summer and these kids are eating me out of my finances. Anyways, that was dumb. Let's go. I hope that you get motivated to get something done in your home, and let's go clean. So this is the mess here. Oh, guys, this is like me not cleaning one day. That's my husband's. And then my kids have had their little friends over pretty much every day of this summer. So they come and they play and they jump and they, you know, do all kind of stuff. So my son comes downstairs with blankets and he leaves it here. I reorganized my pantry, so that's mess from that. You know, just stuff. This is stuff I have to give to someone. This is this morning's mess. We're just a hot mess over here, but we're gonna clean it. So let's go.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
Guys, how many of you feel like you clean your kitchen 15 times a day? I honestly, I think I clean my kitchen like 4 to 5 times a day. Like, not fully like this, but at least once like this, and then another 3 to 4 times, because especially in the summer, everyone needs to eat breakfast, snacks, lunch, snack, dinner, snack, desserts. I mean, there's always someone in the kitchen and they just leave stuff there. And honestly, I don't like my kids doing my dishes because I get grossed out and I feel like they're not going to do it right, or like leave food in them. I don't know. I'm weird, but I do dishes a million times a day and I have a perfectly good dishwasher. I don't know why I don't use it. Honestly, I feel like I've used it before and I put stuff in there that wasn't supposed to be in there and then ended up melting my stuff. And then I was like, you see, this is why I don't use it. So now I just hand wash everything, but it takes forever. So I really need to start using my dishwasher, and I'll save water by doing that. But I don't know. Y'all pray for your girl. Tell me in the comments how many times you guys clean your kitchen. I have these bananas that are about to go bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up and put them to freeze so we can use them for smoothies.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche when I am trying.
Oh my gosh, guys, you don't even understand. My husband sharpened our knives and it made a world of a difference. You don't know how hard you work to cut things when you have a dull knife until you sharpen and you're like, wow, I was missing out. But I was going to say that when I cut up our fruit like this, they literally will last maybe a day. And when I don't cut it, they'll go bad because no one wants to, like, even if it's like the strawberries, they don't want to struggle to, take out the little leafy part or nothing. But when it's nice and cut up, they'll grab it as a snack versus grabbing just a random other snack. But this definitely works. So if you're trying to get your little ones to eat more fruit, I would definitely recommend cutting it and putting it pretty so that they're more likely to grab it and grab a fresh, healthy snack versus a chip.
I tasted your goodness. I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Saxophone. We'll order in a bunch.
I got this from IKEA and it comes with a little pot, but then I bought this.
I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
So I'm sure you're wondering what in the world me and my husband are doing. I was being so lazy and I wanted the boys' little soccer ball upstairs, but I didn't want to walk it up there. So I was just trying to throw it over the banister and I was failing miserably. And then my husband's like, "Are you serious?" Like, you tried doing it. And he was laying down and was able to get it before I was. And I was fully standing. I don't know what's wrong with me, but normally I would tell my husband, "Get your butt up and clean something," but he had been cleaning all day and I felt bad. So I was like, "It's okay, relax." It was his day off. So anyways, that's why he's laying there. But I was trying my hardest. I was praying. I'm like, God, please give me patience for this man because he is laying on this couch and I'm trying to fix it, but it's okay. I got it done. Okay, this is getting a little out of hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix it while it's not that bad.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Okay, so I'm gonna put all of our groceries away, and I thought I'd show you guys how I put it away. Basically, I take everything out of the package and put it nice and organized. So I'll show you.
In the deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever.
I like to put them all in the same like direction, so it just looks more uniform.
In your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. What